Oh, hi folks, I didn't see you there. This is Joshua Carney, Son of the South. And today, me and my little companion here, we're gonna do some natural voice game calls. So stay tuned and let's get with it. Isn't that right, girl? Okay. So today, we've got the brand new SOS game call. Yes. It's a new product on the line. It'll be out at the store near you soon. So while I'm sitting here all comfy in the living room, I'm gonna do some natural voice. Let's do some elk calls. So what I'm gonna do today, it's start off with a sequence of cow, and then I'm gonna go to the elk bugles off in the distance, and I'm gonna go back to the cows, and I'm gonna do a big mature bull right close in the distance. So let's get it started. Now we're gonna switch over to the goose. Let's see which type of goose we're gonna do right now. Let's do a Canada goose, and we're gonna switch it over into a speckle belly. Sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Yeah. So bring out the SOS all-in-one game call, and let's see what we can do.